I just, I'm finding everything like smooth, like that's really good. And the teachers, they're like explaining to my level. So like they understand like where I am. They're always asking me, is this fine with you? Are you good with this? And they ask if they like want me to like if they need to change their way of teaching, like just for me if I didn't understand. So I really, really, really like that because sometimes it gets really complicated. And it's been like every time I can't join a class, there's always something else I can do. Like they send homeworks, they send me any extra notes. Like my physics teacher, she emails me notes. My chemistry teacher, he sends me so much homework. But every time they send me homework and it's a lot, because of how bored I am, I got used to doing it, which is so good. It's so good for me. For my chemistry teacher, he's always giving me like the same, like homeworks of the same topics. And it's like it's not repeated questions, it's questions that are the same thing, but like different wording and different like style and formulas and all of that, which like that honestly is what's helping me. Like he knows what I need and it's like something to be repeated over and over again. And also like his way of teaching, because like I think he realized that I'm a visual and writing learner, so he always writes everything for me, explains it for me on screen, then he tells me to write it down. So I think like he got that through, because that's how it works with me, and I'm really glad that he got it that way. And for my physics teacher, she uses so many examples for me, which like help me really well. Like she uses life experience, real life stories, and stuff that like the person can experience in real life. So whenever I see something that my physics teacher talked to me about and she told me about, I'll be like, oh, I know how that works. I know what's going on inside there. Everything starts to click now. Like whenever I get a keyword or a point, I'm like, oh, they all like intertwine together. So like that's what I like about both of their classes. It's like I'm actually understanding this time. Like I'm actually like learning.